Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Swapnil Shinde, co-founder and CEO of Zeni, to discuss artificial intelligence and the future of fintech. Swapnil, it's great to meet with you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you. It's a pleasure being here.
All right, and let's have an overall look at what AI's role is in the future of fintech and what are the associated benefits?
Yeah, I think AI is everywhere and fintech is kind of eating the world. And if you look at all the financial services that are being offered, which are extremely human intensive, I think AI can play a big role there in automating a lot of mundane tasks using robotic process automation, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. And if we use AI the right way in those tasks, I think we can significantly fasten the way these financial services are offered back to customers, and also increase the accuracy, because data and its accuracy is extremely important in financial services. And if we can use AI and algorithms to our advantage there, I think it can significantly improve the customer experience.
And there are a lot of players in the fintech space. Do you expect consolidation as the industry continues to evolve?
Absolutely. I think there are two things that will happen. A consolidation will definitely happen. Though it's not a winner takes all market, I expect several players to be multi-billion-dollar players in this market. Recently, Bill.com acquired Divi, which was a very smart acquisition. We'll continue to see such acquisitions in the future. Importantly, you will also see big enterprises like Amazon and Shopify and Apple playing more into the fintech world and launching several other fintech services as well. Like Apple Pay today has more than 500 million users, which is amazing. Amazon, we have heard that they have applied for banking license. So there will be such bigger players who will be playing more in the world of fintech, because these companies already have the distribution with their customers. Customers love them, customers trust them. So it becomes very easy for them to monetize them further using different financial services.
So tell us where Zeni fits into the fintech ecosystem.
Yeah, Zeni actually offers the first AI-powered finance concierge for startups, where we can manage all their bookkeeping and accounting functions for them. But our secret sauce is the way our finance concierge works hand in hand with our platform to completely automate their backend financial services and give them real-time insights into their finances on a day-to-day basis. If we look at the traditional world today, bookkeeping and finances is extremely fragmented. Too many people, too many tools are being used. It's very manual, human intensive, and it takes a lot of time. Like bookkeeping doesn't even start until the month ends. But with Zeni, we are changing that. For the first time, we are offering a real-time bookkeeping platform where we give them real-time insights into their finances every single day. And the whole experience is pretty much 10x faster than any other solution in the market today.
What will the latest round of funding enable Zeni to do?
So we announced in March that we have raised $13.5 million in funding. We are going to significantly invest in our product and technology team so that we can increase our automation rates. And we are going to hire on all key verticals, including sales, marketing, and finance operations.
So Swapnil, explain to us, how can investors and entrepreneurs zero in on the innovations that will be the most transformative over the long term?
If you look at what Zeni has done, we have focused on a key vertical which is extremely human intensive. So if founders are looking at ideas and if they have lived the problem themselves, like we as founders have lived this problem ourselves for the last 12 years, where we have been using traditional solutions to manage these finances, and it was all very human intensive and manual. And it was pretty clear for us that the future cannot be this manual. We can use AI, we can use machine learning to automate it, make it 10x faster. So I would recommend that founders and entrepreneurs look at such key areas where there is very little automation. The same applies to fields like HR, legal, and several other fields where it's extremely human intensive. So they can actually use artificial intelligence, robotic process automation to automate the workflows and really create a product that can be 10x faster.
All right, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me here.